When you click here leaders, you will see the daily leaders and monthly leaders. What does it mean? It means that some users are earning this amount of money. For example, Xanic earned more than $50 and they also give them bonuses. So if you end up in top 50 during one day, you will get additional bonus. For example, Xanic is getting $15 bonus. This person who is third one is getting $10 bonus. And up to top 50, as you can see, you can get coins bonuses. And this is not so hard. You can see with $12 you will be already in top 50. If you finish 3 of those offers that we just saw around $4, then you will be here in top 50. And if you finish more of them, you can get bonuses. And then they also have a monthly competition. So if we click here monthly, as you saw, it was June 13 at the moment we're now recording. And these people earn even bigger bonuses. So if you want the monthly competition, you get $150 bonus. And if you end up second, you earn $125. And if you end up third, you earn $100 bonus. And again, they have bonuses up to 50 positions. You can see here 50 cents for the last ones. But for most of them, more than $10. And the highest price is $150. And if you add this up, this is pretty nice because he has earned $478 plus $150 is coming up, so that would be more than $600 for a month. So of course that's nice, but I want to remind, this is not a huge big money website. This is more like easy money website in my opinion, for those people who want to earn some pocket money and sometimes a little bit more, especially if you are living in a country where the cost of living is lower. For example, many countries in Asia and Africa, the cost of living is lower, so you don't need to pay so much money for food and for the rent and all these things. So this is even better for you in my personal opinion. Meanwhile, people from the US and Europe, they have the cost of living, so they need to earn more. On the other hand, if you are living in the US and Europe, you may have more offers available, so there are pros and cons with both. Focus on the positive, focus on the good. If you are wondering what are the other people saying about free skins, take a look at Trustpilot. They have an average rating of 4.6 stars out of 5 based on more than 1,500 reviews, and you can see that people are absolutely loving this website. It's not a coincidence because they pay free money fast. Also, many legitimate YouTubers have recommended free skins. For example, Michael from Paid From Surveys, who has also been featured on our YouTube channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online. And you will find tons of payment proofs also on Google when you type free skins payment proofs. But you get the best proof yourself simply by signing up and starting today, getting the 100 points bonus through my link in the description and getting the money into your own account today. In my personal opinion, that's the best proof, because you know, I can always show you all kinds of proof that I am earning, that Michael is earning, that other people are earning, but the best proof is when you get money to your own account. So try it out yourself. Free skins is all the time growing. As you saw, it's paying money to people all the time, and if you have visited them before, you have seen that this number is growing all the time. They have already paid hundreds of thousands of dollars in total to their users, and the average money earned yesterday by their users is around $20. And they're all the time adding more and more offers here in the offer walls and more options for withdrawing money to your PayPal or Visa or different accounts, whatever you want. If you have tried free skins in the past, the chances are that they have already added more offer here. So there are more ways for you to earn and already more ways how you can withdraw the money. And if you watch this video in the future, I assume that there are even more ways how you can earn money. So it's all the time improving. So my challenge to you is get that 100 points bonus and try to get paid today as I have received.